What's up, guys? We're jumping right back into another video. As you can see, we are at Cayuga and we are in the Civic. Hopefully everything is good. I was doing some testing on the way up and it looks good, but we shall see. I'm on the GoPro now, so if anything looks weird or sounds weird, blame that. So for views, I'm gonna put one up here, right there. I'm gonna put the passenger seat down when I do that view, just so you guys get a good view. And then I'll probably throw you guys on top of my head for different ones. So I would love to say I'm hunting for a PB today, but I doubt it. It's been about 1.5 years since I've actually been on the track, like trying to beat my time because of this stupid issue I've been dealing with. But we shall see. It would be nice. My brakes are a little low. I have pads with me if I have to swap, worst case, but I don't actually realize I don't have a jack, so maybe not. I think Serena's on her way. She has a jack, the little scissor jack if I have to, worst case, but we're still on these 2017 Nankangs. So my fronts are good. They're my RE71Rs, but let's at least have some fun. Buddy. I saw that coming. It's okay. We got my grip back, we're good. Just wanted to make sure we're good. That's what happens when a Honda's in your rear view mirror. Holy. Alright, so fixed one issue to get another. good old oil. Jacked the car up. The rear main seal looks like it's leaking. So back to the shop it goes. I had, I think, 2 sessions out there. I wasn't really pushing it too much. I was still making sure the coolant issue was fixed, but yeah, this car's cursed, I tell you. Well, limped her back home, and you can see what I was working with. Tons of oil now. The whole bottom's soaked. So yeah, gonna stay here until hopefully Monday I can bring it in. I'm gonna have to fill up the oil again and to limp it in. So good thing is the shop is only down the street, so hopefully get that dealt with real quick and get back out on the track. The win is that the main issue is fixed, but now we gotta fix another one. That's the life. Who said Civics were reliable? That's for sure. Anyways guys, I'm gonna wrap up the video here. So thank you for coming back to watch another video, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. You gotta stick around, follow along with all my issues. So yeah, catch you next one guys. Peace.